Hey everyone, in this lesson I'm going to be teaching you how to play the song Are You Lonesome Tonight by Elvis Presley. Now this song was recommended to me by 2 subscribers, Gary and Nanda. Thank you guys for your recommendation. Now if anybody else would like to leave me song suggestions, just put them in the comment section down below and make sure that you're subscribed to this channel so that you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials. Alright, now let's go ahead and get started with this lesson.
Lonesome tonight, do you miss me tonight? Are you sorry we drifted apart? Does your memory stray to a bright, a sunny day when I kissed you, called you sweetheart? Do the chairs in your parlor seem empty and bare? Do you gaze at your doorstep and picture me there? Is your heart filled with pain? Shall I come back again? Tell me, dear, are you lonesome tonight? Are you lonesome tonight? Do you miss me tonight? Are you sorry we drifted apart? Does your memory stray to a bright, a sunny day when I kissed you and called you sweetheart? Do the chairs in your parlor seem empty and bare? Do you gaze at your doorstep and picture me there? Is your heart filled with pain? Shall I come back again? Tell me, dear, are you lonesome tonight?
All right, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you would like to get the chord chart for this song, just click right here to head on over to the website. All right, I hope to see you in the next lesson. Take care.